Today I'm going to talk to you about a topic that you may have already come across at one time or another. Maybe you've been asked by your friend to babysit their toddler or pick up your niece or nephew at daycare, or maybe you're just a grandparent transporting your grandchild from one place to another. So today we're going to talk about installing a car seat. And before I begin, let me explain that today I'm only talking about the installation of a forward-facing car seat with a child over the age of 1 and at least 20 pounds. It doesn't apply to an infant coming home from the hospital or a booster seat for a preschooler over the weight of 30 pounds. So another fact, let me tell you before we begin, is if you've had a car seat in your garage for 3 or 4 years and thinking just because it's available that it's going to work, it probably won't. Car seats have an expiration date. So if you look on the side right here, there is the expiration date. Some of them are too old and they need to be thrown away. When you throw it away, cut the straps and throw it in the dumpster. They shouldn't be reused. So be educated to the fact that if you're purchasing a car seat, the National Safety Council protects consumers and will periodically post recalls. And these recalls are posted, if it's a recent product that's been on recall and it's on the shelf, the recall will be posted on the checkout aisle of your store or at the front of the store. So it's very important to be a responsible caretaker and a diligent consumer for your child's safety. The second thing, when installing a car seat, you'll notice that they have this strap back here. This is called an anchor. And most older cars don't have the anchors, but all new models on the road will have these metal anchors. And there's pictures on the newer cars with little dots of either a car seat or a child. It'll show you where in the seat they're located. So you take this anchor, you hook it on, you pull it tight, and there should be no wiggle room. This is to prevent ejection of the seat in case of a rollover. So that's the metal hook you need to look for. Another thing is the shoulder straps. The shoulder straps should be checked prior to putting the child in the car seat. If you don't do that and put the child in first, you're going to have a lot of physical maneuvering of trying to do this with the child in there, or you're going to have to physically be really limber to do it with a screaming child or unhappy child in there. So be alert to that. Another thing is there's a lot of things on the market, after-market things like neck rolls that people put in their babies' car seat to make it more comfortable. These are advised not to have them. There have been instances where just in a minor accident, the baby moves forward and then comes back and the neck roll has caused serious injury by sliding down. So it's still up to you as a parent, but these are not suggested. A good website to visit about recalls and safety is www.graycobaby.com. Finally, just make sure that you're anchored in, your baby is in here, snapped in, and the shoulder straps are appropriate, and that you're safe before you even start your car. Remember, again, this is only the installation of a car seat for 1-year-old and at least 20 pounds. There's a handout entitled "Which Ride is Right for Your Child?" It's going to be located at the table as you exit, and it talks about Texas laws, and it breaks down the correct weights and ages according to Texas law.